In this lesson, we will explore 5 skills for building professional rapport. A purpose of the section is to help you value difference and create an inclusive climate. To do that, we will explore 5 strategies for building professional rapport. Your goal will be to answer the question: how can I build appropriate rapport with others? Our brains are wired to create social connections with others. However, there are 4 volatile forms of bias that hinder us, mentally, from connecting. The 4 most volatile forms of bias revolve around the following: 1. Race. 2. Gender. 3. Sexuality. And last, religion. Rapport is one of the most important features, or characteristics, of unconscious human interaction. Think of it as a commonality of perspective, being in sync, or being on the same wavelength as the person with whom you're talking. I will define rapport as a process that involves building something, and once you have built that something, you must also engage in a process to sustain it. The thing you are building, and are required to sustain, is mutual trust. Building rapport with people who are different from you is more than a set of skills. It begins with the heart, or a mindset. Claire Rains and Laura Ewing, in their book, The Art of Connecting, call it core principles. Here are 5 core principles that one can use to connect with people outside your comfort zone. First, you must believe that there is always a bridge. The bridge is found by listening. People are always revealing things about themselves that you can use as a bridge to build a connection with them. Second, curiosity is the key to projecting a friendly disposition or attitude. Third, you need to recognize that what you assume about someone is what you get. We explored the idea of self-fulfilling prophecies in the Theory of Bias lesson. Fourth, acknowledge that each person is a unique culture. Therefore, take the risk and walk away from viewing someone through the lens of a category, minority group, or gender. Get to know them for who they are. And last, reach out to people with a no strings attached attitude. Therefore, don't be put off by rejection, or assume that just because you are striving to make someone feel warm, that they have to do the same. Take a moment to reflect on the question: which principle resonates with you? The 5 skills are: 1. Look for common ground. 2. Imitation. 3. Be attentive to the emotional temperature of an interaction. 4. Display courteous behavior. And 5. Reject the labels of inferior or superior when dealing with people. Let's unpack each of the 5 skills one by one.